are pleased to show you the 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, remote trunk release, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.